Over the last few minutes, we have shown that the speed of light is not constant for all observers. This also implies that the laws of physics are not the same for all frames of reference. This may only be evident at relativistic speeds. Length contraction effects are not needed, and they are more trouble than they're worth. They were invented to explain the Michelson-Morley experiment, which is the wrong explanation. This does not mean that all the many contributions of relativity go away. Relativity's formulas still apply, but now, instead of motion being relative between two objects, motion for all objects is relative to space. We also offered an explanation as to why objects fall and how gravity works, with a concept first proposed by Newton. A concept that is consistent with aberration of light and retardation effects, and that also shares many of the properties of relativity. While relativity tells us that objects orbiting Earth follow the curvature of space caused by our planet's mass, no amount of space curving is going to make an object fall. We have also determined that space behaves differently than previously thought. We have adopted an attitude that says, if it is important, it matters, and if it has no mass, it does not matter. Space begs to differ. This is a small listing of the laws of physics that we have developed, and that are a credit to those that postulated them, but they do not apply to space. These laws only apply to us. They only apply to matter. Space can and does move faster than the speed of light. Space can and does create new matter and energy. When space moves, it drags matter along with it, without experiencing any slowdown or drag, without a need for any energy or force. Energy and force are only needed to move matter with respect to space itself. We cannot apply to space the same laws that apply to matter. For space, matter is like color. It is not that space cannot exist without matter. It looks more like space created us, and matter is not the center of the universe. It's not clear why space behaves the way it does, but this is a subject that requires further study of our ever-expanding universe.